Hey everybody, how are you doing? I hope everybody is well. Alright guys, so we do have 3 spoilers for the September Ipsy GlamBag Plus box. We also had the first spoiler for the regular standard Ipsy GlamBag, and that is linked below if you want to go check out that spoiler. So the spoilers for the Plus box for September so far, the first one is I Do Care Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. Then we have the Ilamasca, I think that's how you say that, antimatter lipstick in the shade Midnight, which is a beautiful dark cherry red. I love that, or a dark red. And then the last one is the Ico Black Magic Liquid Liner. And of course, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I will update you guys. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on. That way you are notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.